Alright, here we go, guys. Break 167. We got a 0809 SPX. Start off by showing Winnipeg, as usual. Winnipeg Jets. 167. Ended March 19, 10:36 Eastern Daytime. Serial number on the box. NE 56 50 78 48. Alright, good luck, guys, and thank you very much for joining. I wish you the best of luck, and let's pull some nice cards. $50. Alright. Start off with the base pack. We got a rookie jersey to $12.99 for the Flyers of Andreas Notel. Base. 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 Couple of base packs. We got a jersey. Spectrum jersey number 225 for the New York Islanders of Miros. Oh, no, it's for Pittsburgh. Sorry. For Pittsburgh, Miroslav Shatan, number 225. So you can see it's a Pittsburgh hit. Number 225. Base. SP Excitement Gold, number 299 for Chicago of Bobby Hall, out of 99. Dual jersey for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Daryl Sittler and Lanny McDonald, winning combos for Toronto. Rookie jersey auto to $9.99 for the Stars, Fabian Brunstrom. Fabian Brunstrom for the Dallas Stars. SP Excitement to $9.99 for the Chicago Blackhawks of Tony Esposito. Base. SP Excitement for the Chicago Blackhawks out of $9.99 of Stan Mikita. Chicago stealing all the hits. Base. 3 packs to go. Base. Sticky. Winning materials for the Flyers dual jersey of Bobby Clarke. Last pack. We finish on a base pack. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you a lot for joining, and hope to see you next time. Peace.